coming out of heavy fighting between government forces and Al-Shabaab in El Barad village, 10 kilometers from Bulo Burte district in Hiran region. The fighting erupted after government forces attacked the area and with early results indicting of many casualties. The commander of the Somali National Army, General Odowa Yusuf Rage, who spoke to the Armed Forces Media Network, said that the fighting took place this morning on the outskirts of Bula Burte district. Somalia's Armed Forces Commander General Odowa added that 25 Al-Shabaab fighters were killed in the fighting this morning. There is no word yet from the Al-Shabaab-affiliated propaganda wing regarding the fighting between them and Somali government forces in El Barad area on the outskirts of Bula Burte district this morning. Last week, the Somali National Army, SNA, said Sunday its forces have killed about 100 Al-Shabaab militants in recent operations in the Middle Shabelle region of southern Somalia. Somali Army Chief Odowa Yusuf Rage said the operations, which were carried out in the region to flush out Al-Shabaab terrorists from the area, have seen insurgents suffer heavy losses and several commanders killed. General Odowa told state-owned Radio Mogadishu on Sunday that several areas including Al-Shabaab bases have been liberated from the militants. The army chief said the military operations, which are still underway in the Middle Shabelle region, will be intensified until the insurgents, who have conducted terror attacks to kill and maim innocent residents, have been wiped out from the region.